Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about blockchain wallets. Now, if you're familiar with cryptocurrency or you own Bitcoin or you are familiar with those technologies, you've heard the term wallet before. And a wallet is where you interface with the blockchain to manage your cryptocurrency. So today I'm going to go through the details of what a blockchain wallet is, how a blockchain wallet works, and then why blockchain wallets are actually important in business blockchains. But first, you are tuned into the Blockchain Education channel, where each week I create new content related to blockchain, business blockchain, cryptocurrency, and all the underlying technologies that make up a blockchain. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, ring the bell. If you've got questions, please use the comments, and let's get going. So first of all, what is a blockchain wallet? So a blockchain wallet is actually the interface between the user, which would be you, and the blockchain. And it's usually associated with cryptocurrency blockchain. So if you hear the term wallet, your brain is going to go right to thinking cryptocurrencies. But now these can easily be confused with smart contracts because wallets and smart contracts do a lot of things that are very similar with each other. A wallet is actually enforcing the business logic of the cryptocurrency blockchain in the same way that a smart contract is enforcing the business logic of a business blockchain. So one of the things about a smart wallet that's important is that it uses encryption. So I have some other videos out there about asymmetric encryption, about hashing, about other blockchain technologies. So I would recommend you watch this video all the way through. If you've got any questions about those other technologies, watch those other videos and then come back and watch this video again. So one of the prerequisites for a wallet is that it uses asymmetric encryption and digital signatures. And so one of the main purposes of the wallet is to manage your keys. So it securely stores your public addresses and it maintains your private keys. Now keep in mind, private keys are long, character-based things that you don't actually ever type in your private key. Your private key is actually stored in your wallet. It's stored safely and securely, and then it's used when you need to access the blockchain. So the wallet actually creates and signs transactions for the blockchain. The first thing it does, though, is when you first use the wallet or anytime you bring the wallet up, it scans the blockchain looking for transactions for your wallet address. Now, in a business blockchain, this is actually very important. This is something that a lot of people don't understand. And that if I am sending, let's say I'm sending produce to somebody and I'm sending it on the blockchain, my wallet is going to put a transaction on the blockchain with the recipient of that produce's blockchain address as the receiver. And then that recipient's wallet will see those transactions and know that there's transactions that are coming for them. If you think in the shipping and the supply chain, think of your ASN, your advanced shipment notification. A wallet can be used very easily for ASNs because what you're doing is you're putting a transaction onto the blockchain, and then the other wallet is scanning the blockchain looking for transactions for your wallet address. Now, in cryptocurrency, these transactions just mean somebody has sent you Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency. But in the business blockchain, that same concept of scanning the blockchain looking for transactions applies also. So one of the things that it does that's very important is that it keeps track of your transactions on your local computer. Blockchains get really big. They get really big really fast. So you don't want to have to scan from the beginning of the blockchain every time you open your wallet. So what a wallet does is it keeps track of the last block that it read. Since it knows that the blocks are immutable and they're not going to change, it knows that it doesn't have to start from block 0 every time it reads the blockchain. So what the wallet will do for you is as it scans the blockchain, it'll write your transactions that it finds to a local file, making you not have to go to the blockchain every time you need those transactions. So that's a kind of a critical thing that the wallet does for you. Now, one of the important things about the wallet is that it connects to the nodes on the blockchain. It doesn't connect to a web server or a central authority like normal web browser applications do. Might connect to any nodes. It might connect to a daemon that's on your local machine or on your local computer, or it might connect to a remote daemon. The wallet is actually a much more flexible technology than the browser in the way that blockchains are a distributed network. Now, the private keys are never sent over the network. Unlike when you're using a browser and you're using passwords, the password is normally sent to the server, and then the validation of the password is actually done on the server. That's not the way blockchain wallets work. Blockchain wallets do all the cryptography on the actual server itself. So it's a much safer way of handling your public and your private keys because it's actually doing the math, it's doing the encryption on your local computer. Now, another important thing about wallets on the blockchain is they can support business logic and validation. People normally think of wallets as only keeping track of your cryptocurrency and creating those transactions. Wallets can be developed to do a lot more. Now, I personally have developed a supply chain wallet that handles shipping, receiving, packaging of products, and then creating new products from ingredients. That's all built into a wallet because a blockchain wallet can handle different types of validation. Now, wallet APIs allow standard technologies like browser technologies to actually talk to a wallet. So this is how blockchains can be architected into allowing you to create some very flexible applications using programming languages that you're used to. So a wallet API is an important part of wallet technologies. Almost all cryptocurrency wallets also have APIs that go along with it. In the case of Tritanium Labs, we use a wallet, an RPC wallet, which is a remote process connection wallet that has an API built into it that allows browsers and other technologies to talk to the wallet. Okay, so wallet APIs provide a definite level of flexibility for the developers. You don't need to tell the developers, well, you need to program in Golang, or you need to program in JavaScript, or you need to program with Node.js. You can actually say, use the programming language of your choice, and then allow these wallet APIs to handle the communications with the blockchain. So I hope you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you next time.